Zambia, land of faith, from the green fields to the highlands, the flag flies, the sun shines, we sing for freedom. The green forest, the blue lakes, history has so many stories. From the ground, the mountains rise high, the people are firmly proud. The green forest, the blue lakes, history has so many stories. From the ground, the mountains rise high, the people are firmly proud. Zambia, land of faith, from the green fields to the highlands, the flag flies, the sun shines, we sing for freedom. Green forest, the blue lakes, history has so many stories, has so many stories, has so many, has stories. From the sackers to the shining copper bells, laughter, joy never stops. We rise strong and proud, with a bright future ahead. Zambia, land of faith, from the green fields to the highlands, the flag flies, the sun shines, we sing for freedom. From Lusaka to the shining copper bells, laughter, joy never stops. We rise strong and proud, with a bright future ahead. Zambia, land of faith, from the green fields to the highlands, the flag flies, the sun shines, we sing for freedom. Love and hope in our hearts, Zambia, our proud country, walking on the path of development. We will always hold the sky firmly.